Hello friends, I am back with another beautiful nail design. So today I want to create something which gives the gothic vibes with some soft flowers. And I searched the inspo for this nail set, but unfortunately I found nothing according to my vision. But there is only one nail set which I liked very much. So today I am going to add some similar style from the inspo. I'm thinking to create a black nail set for a long time, but I could not done any. And today I finally get myself into this nail set. So the inspo is here and I'm going to pick the style only, which is black base and transparent tips. I'm so excited to see how it comes. Let's start the process of nail extensions and then continue with the design. You know that when I have to create something which is not included in my comfort zone nails, I use these tips to get the nail extensions faster. I use base coat for this process and I'm getting better and better in having my gel extensions like a pro. I love to use nail tips and this process, but sometimes I want those hard gel extensions too. It just depends on what design I chose for and also on the keeping of the nails. I usually like hard gel extensions when I have to keep my nails for some days. I love long nails and last set which was the summer nail set, they were like one of the best long nails I've done so far. I try to create different type of nail sets and if I like something then I explore more of that style. Today I'll use this neon pink shade, this white paint gel and normal black. Let's start the nail design with black gel polish till the smile line. I'll cover this in layers and creating a point at between. The real magic is in the transition. The inspo has something moody garden vibes with sharp contrast between deep midnight tones and hyper feminine details. This gives a complete coquette vibe and I love this style. I'm using two brushes to complete the black base. Outline the limit area and then fill this up with soft pointy brush. By the way, this brush is not a nail art brush, this is a makeup brush and I don't do makeup but I bought nail products. So there is no need of these brushes in that space and I took all of them here. I'll continue this design on every finger. Cover this with matte top coat and then move to the next art. I took off my gloves so now you can see this clearly how I make strokes to create this shape and all the details about this space. The rest of the tips will be transparent so it's better that I cover my natural nails under this black base, hide the smile line and the base coat layer to make it more clean look. I'm doing the black nails after a very long time. If you watch my old videos then you know that I used to do black nail arts frequently. But once I started to try different nail styles, my whole vibe has been changed. After that, I created colorful nails and cute vibe nails with heavy 3D handmade elements. What your style in this nail space? Comment now. So the base is done and now it's time to make the lily flowers on it. For that I'll use this paint gel. It will make the process easy and clean with the visible strokes lines. Let's create one and I don't know if this is pass or fail but let's try. I watched the tutorials. They do this like a pro. Of course, they are professional because this art needs the knowledge of brush movements and the perfect amount of gel on the brush. They do practice on practice and look, this is my first time. How I can expect that this will be perfect? I'm learning this right now. I'm not sure about the perfection, but I'll make it a successful set for sure. Now it's time to create the ombre effect at the center of these lilies. I mixed matte top coat in this neon shade, so it's now a jelly shade. I want to create lighter to heavier kind of ombre. Not covering the whole petal with this because we need pink only at the center and the peripheral part will remain white. first layer is done and now I mix the more pink in the jelly shade to make it the second layer of these flowers. Don't do this process with white brush. If you use this liner brush for this process, then it will be more cleaner. You just have to follow the white gel strokes. The liquid gel sets between the lines of base white gel and give a very beautiful ombre effect. The second layer is done and now we are going to add pure pink shade at the center part of these flowers. Put the dots first and then try to spread it very slowly. You can do this step in one as I am doing here, or you can do this after cure one nail at a time. It's end of the lilies and now I have to work on the clear tips. I'll draw some bows with the same neon pink shade. You can create 3D bows if you want or stick the ready-made ones if you have, but I want to keep these like this. The base nail art is done and now it's time to add some blinky things to it. As we saw, the inspo has silver caviar beads and tiny different shaped stones in between. So here I'll do the same process but I'll add different stones according to my vision. Using the base coat to stick these charms is now a habit. I think I need a big container of the base coats because I use this in every possible way I can. Guys, arranging these caviar beads is a very difficult task. They fall off in every second and slip off the position very quickly. This particular step takes 2 hours straight with no intervals. Sometimes these balls get cured under the nail and I see when I almost finish this step. I cannot show you the whole process of getting these on. Let's finish this and cover everything with top coat, then see the final look together. is the final look, the Midnight Garden Coquette Vibe Nails. This is a perfect combination of edgy but elegant. I hope you like my nail sets. See you in my next video. Bye.